to study our course called Native Architecture. In this lesson 52, we will study the storage, the volume mount. So in last lesson, we have studied the volume storage volume and create the NFS storage layer. So in this lesson, we will study how to mount the NFS volume. So first, we will create in this slide. We can see that there we will create a deployment with two replicated pods, and their mounting point is the USR share engines in the pod. We will mount this pod, map this directory in the pod to the external storage, the NFS shared directory to this directory here. Okay, we will map this directory to this directory, and so if this pod failed, and then the pod still can access this volume, and they share the same file, so the content of the file will remain unchanged. So now we just do a test. So we can in this YAML file, so we specify the kind, deployment, and the metadata attribute, specify the labels and the name with the engine's PV demo, and the spec, the replicas count is 2. Okay, the selector, the labels will match this container map labels, and we can here spec containers. Here we use the container image engines and the container name engines, and here we use the volume mount and the mount path. This is the path in the container, and the volume path name is HTML. So we can here in this attribute volumes. Okay, this is the volumes name. They are identical, and okay, this volume name use the backend storage is NFS, and the NFS have two attributes: the server and the shared path. Okay, so first we changed this server to our NFS server. So okay, IPA to show the this is the master, also our NFS server. So we can hear the ETH0 is the NFS server. Okay, we can also see here, this is the NFS server. Okay, we changed this and the path. Okay, so now we just the shared directory is this. This is the shared directory of the NFS server. Okay, so we change this here, and also we need to create our engines PV to create our engines PV. So here, there also are engines PV, and okay, so now we just copy this YAML file and copy and create this deployment. Okay. And because we will use this NGSPV as the home default path of the index, so we create our index file. So we echo 1111 to the indexed HTML as the content of the container default homepage. So okay, and now we just we add to create our deployment volume.yaml. Okay, and we just paste the YAML files and save and create. And now we use kubectl create apply specify the volume YAML file. So now we can see that now this deployment has been created. So we can use the kubectl get pods to show all the pods. So now we can see here these two pods are running. Okay, in the NGSPV demo deployment. So now we can just go into the we can use the kubectl get pod. Okay, use to see its pod. To say its pod IP address, we can now use the curl to see its home page. Okay, so we can yes we can see that we use curl to get the home page of this Nginx demo, this CGH2G with this pod IP address. This pod is located in the work2, and we can also use curl to get the another Nginx demo, this HGNWS. Okay, so now we just we edit this index HTML file to add echo hello Nginx to add the hello Nginx at the end of the index file. So we can use indexed file. Okay, now we can use curl to return the home page of the Nginx pod. So we can also use this. Yes, we can see that the home page, the default home page of this index file has been changed because these two pods are show the same NFS shared directory. So if we change the file of the indexed HTML under this directory, and it will be shared and of the two pods. So okay, so this is in this lesson we have studied the volume count and using the YAML configuration files with the volumes mount paths. So okay, that's all. Thank you.